Welcome to my channel again. Datuki class naludi absorption of food in our body. Ani labne to ga. Ta ngachi body nalu after digestion kadibi body gi absorb koi kadibi absorb ani labne to ga. The maximum absorption take place in small intestine. Ani labne to ga. The end products of carbohydrates, fat and protein digestion are glucose, glycerol, fatty acids, amino acids and vitamins. The end product of carbohydrates, fat and protein. The stomach nale. The absorption begins in the stomach with simple molecules like water and alcohol being absorbed directly into the bloodstream. Tuga stomach nale absorption start beyond. The most absorption takes place in the wall of the small intestine. The most absorption takes place in the walls of the small intestine. The small intestine nalu the maximum absorption take place big of mo. For efficient absorption, the small intestine has the following adaptations. The small intestine the adaptation yellow for the maximum absorption. The variable have the adaptation of small intestine. First, the densely folded to maximize the surface area in contact with digested food. Densely folded yellow. Small intestine the densely folded yellow. Can be densely folded in order to increase the surface area. Tahanalu. Any portion the small intestine bade densely folded do bade. Can be in order to increase the surface area. The second point it is very long. It is very long and is lined with tiny finger-like projections called villi. The small intestine. The small intestine gi nana ludi finger-like projection yellow. And the villi long. The finger-like projection is called villi. The villi gi increase the surface area for absorption. Villi and finger projection by small intestine gi nana ludi zoom thong tuga villi di. Yani gi increase the surface area for maximum absorption. Tuga ani bithong villi ani di villi. Point number 3 it has a lacteal or lymph vessel in each villus for absorption of fat lo. Green domina and the lacteal silong. Villus ki nana ludium. It helps in the absorption of fat imbe. Analudi and blue the red domina and the arteries the veins imbe. And the absorb baby distribute to the different parts of the body. Thank you and please subscribe to my channel for more videos.